Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be reviewing a brand new product. This is the Benefit Hoola Wave Natural Finish Water Resistant Smudge Proof Cream Bronzer. So we are going to see what this is all about. The Benefit Hoola bronzer is like a very much OG iconic bronzer. It is like one of the first of its kind, I feel like, or at least one of the first huge ones. So I'm really excited to be trying this new one out. So before we get into it, please make sure to give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Join the family. Do not miss out on 3 videos a week. But if you want to see me review this new product, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, I know I look a little bit crazy right now. I feel like my makeup is like half done because we are going somewhere. So I thought, why not try a brand new product out when I'm supposed to be getting ready to go out somewhere? So that's what we're gonna do. So I have this pulled up on Sephora where I got it. I am just gonna touch on some details and then we're gonna try it out and finish my face of makeup because I am looking a little bit crazy and washed out. I also tried 2 different self-tanners, like one on each side of my face, and I feel like you could see a clear difference between the sides. Every time I look in the mirror, I'm like, oh my goodness, this is so bad. So we're just gonna ignore that. I'm gonna try to fix it later on, but for now, it is what it is. So anyways, on Sephora, it's Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Wave Cream Bronzer Balm. I love that it's a balm. We'll see how that goes, but I'm very excited. You can choose from 5 different shades. I picked the shade medium. I'm hoping it's gonna be a good match. It just seemed like it would make the most sense. It's supposed to be a warm undertone. And then it's 0.32 ounces for $36. I would say $36 is pretty standard for a bronzer that you would get at Sephora. And then some more details. A sheer buildable bronzer balm with a soft matte finish formulated with rich moisturizing ingredients that blends seamlessly and provides up to 12 hours of staying power. I love that. I feel like so many products that are coming out lately emphasize the fact that they're supposed to last a long time. Like, who does not love that? Nobody wants their makeup coming off right after applying, so I'm excited. It says, Benefit Cosmetics iconic bronzer is making waves in a creamy blendable balm, Hoola Wave. This weightless, buttery soft bronzer is packed with good for skin ingredients and creates a natural looking fresh from the beach bronze or soft contour. And then for the how to use, you would just use a brush, swirl it in, and then apply on your cheeks or wherever you want to apply it. So that's exactly what we are going to do. I'm gonna get my bronzer brush out. This has been my favorite one to apply cream bronzers, and I'm hoping we're gonna fix a little bit of this miscolored madness on my face, so we will see. Anyways, unboxing this from the package. Please be a good match. Love the packaging. I don't know how well you guys could see it. I feel like my lighting is so bright for some reason, but it's like this like indented, like wavy kind of a package, and it just looks so pretty. I love the like chromy pink Benefit Hoola Wave. Oh yeah, this is a good match. I'm glad I did not go darker. I almost grabbed a darker shade because I was worried this would be too light, but I think this is perfect. Actually, it has a mirror on the whole top half, and it's a good quality mirror. So far so good. I'm gonna dip my fingers in and swatch though. It feels like a balm. It feels really, really good. That's actually really, really pigmented. And it's a really nice color. It's so smooth too. Like, it's very, my hands are really, really dry. And this is still going on really, really smooth. So it's super pretty. I'm very excited now. Okay, I feel like I have a lot going wrong with me today. Like the mismatched self-tanner. I have half of a full face of makeup. My ears don't have any product on them because I got my ears pierced not too long ago on both sides. And I really don't want to put product on them and risk getting them infected. So I'm a little bit all over the place today, but we're just going to keep it moving. So I think all that's left to do is apply this. So I'm just gonna do what it says to do. I'm gonna use a brush, swirl it in here, and then apply like I would any other cream bronzer. And then I'll come back, give you guys some thoughts, finish off my makeup, let you know how everything is working together, and then let you know if I think it's worth the money. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back. I just finished applying and I'm slightly obsessed with how this turned out on me. I think, first of all, I feel like it did a really good job of evening out whatever was going on my forehead. So everything looks a little bit more even and like one color and not like I have two different self-tanners on. So 2 thumbs up already for that. My cheeks look amazing. I feel like it gave me the perfect amount of bronze without looking like cakey or splotchy or patchy or uneven or anything like that. It looks very, very natural and like seamless, melted into my skin. It just has such a gorgeous finish. It's not doing anything crazy for my pores. I am wearing a pore filling primer underneath. This doesn't claim to do anything special for the pores, but I just feel like nothing to touch on there. But overall, like, it is just so pretty. It doesn't feel like, you know how sometimes a balm can feel a little bit like slippery or like oily? This does not feel like that. Like, I feel like it's dried down onto my face and it feels really just soft and good. It looks so pretty. It's like the perfect amount of bronze without being too much, but without like not being visible either. I feel like sometimes when you think of a balm, you think it's gonna be like a very, very subtle, like not really much to see kind of thing, but this actually did something in between, so it is just perfect. I think it looks so pretty. I am just obsessed. I cannot get enough. It blended in so beautifully with the makeup products underneath, so I am obsessing right now. I am gonna put the rest of my makeup on really quick though, and then let you guys know how it worked with other products on top. So give me 1 second to do that and I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I finished applying my makeup. I was going to put my powder product on, but then I decided no, I'm not, because this is a bronzer review and I want you guys to see the bronzer in all its glory and not other products directly on top of it that are doing the same thing. So I did put on a cream blush and then concealer over a little bit over the bronzer, and it looks so good. Oh my gosh, I have a feeling I'm gonna be grabbing for this one a ton now. I feel like it looks so good. It looks so natural without, again, not looking like there's anything on my face. It's just such a pretty, like my cheeks were just sculpted like this. Like I was born this way kind of thing. It looks so good. I can't stop looking in the mirror at it. I love how easy it is to use. Like I realistically feel like anybody can use this. Like whether you're doing makeup for the first time or you're doing it for the 1000th time, it's just such an easy product to work with. It takes like no effort to blend and it just melts right in the most perfect way. You can play around with it all over your face and it just gives you that perfect like sun-kissed beaming glow, and I am just obsessed. Like, and especially this bronzer, blush, foundation, concealer combo is so good. Like I feel like I'm having such a good face day altogether. I'm in love. Like I literally cannot stop staring at this. Again, I have a feeling I'm gonna be grabbing for this like it is nobody's business. Like I have a feeling this is gonna be my new go-to cream bronzer, especially for the warmer months. I also really love the fact that this doesn't feel like a cream bronzer. Like it dried down on my face and it feels like a powder almost. So this is gonna be really nice in the summer when maybe I don't want to put on powder products all the time, but it still sets on my face that way. So I am in love with every detail. Like I don't have any negatives about this whatsoever, and if this genuinely does last like 12 hours, even better. So overall, just as a first impression, I'm for sure saying yes. I totally think it's worth it. I think it's beautiful. It is living up to the Hoola name and I definitely recommend. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, let me know what you think about how this turned out. Let me know what you like, what you don't. Let me know what else you want me to try. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. But stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.